doing?
I continuously give thanks for all the good things in my life. Thank you,
Okay.
universe, for always
My
giving
little
me
baby.
experiences
If somebody
that
gets
help
jealous
me
when I
grow.
talk to you. Somebody gets jealous.
You
What are you
are
doing?
speaking with clarity,
What are you doing?
love, and
Are you
honesty.
jealous? Are you jealous I'm talking to somebody and not you? Are you jealous?
You are
Ow,
spending
quit being
wonderful time
jealous.
with your toys.
Don't shoot the pad. Don't shoot the pad. The pad's not nice. Don't shoot the pad. Be nice, okay?
I fill my heart with gratitude so that I
Okay.
am open to receive more happiness in my life.
All right, I'm going to get up now, okay, guys? You going to feed me?
New things to appreciate
Don't start a fight. You start a fight with your brother, then he's going to bite me in the face, and I'm going to be plastic surgery. Stop that. Ow! Stop that. Okay, I love you.
your spectacular light.
You guys are good. You want to go outside and play? Is that what you're in here bugging me for? You got to wait till it warms up. Yeah, as soon as it gets 60 degrees, I'll put you out. But right now, it's too cold, okay?
My life is full
It's
of
too
countless
cold.
blessings, and I choose to recognize them all. I am grateful for the fact that I decide if this is a good day or an awesome day.
All right, guys. I have to face the world now. All right, I'm going to get up. Gosh, I just... Oh, did I squish you too hard? I'm sorry, little girl. All right, guys. Oh, come on. Wake me up. All right, wake me up. I'm getting up, I promise. Is this your way of saying put food in your mouth? Go make you an egg? I'll make you breakfast. How do you put up with him, Snowball? Stop! Your beak is not nice. Don't make that African gray mad. Or you're going to get him pissed off. It's going to be a fight. Don't fight him, okay? All right, let's go. Come on. Come on, you get up off of me. No, come on, get up off of me. You gotta get up. Now the fight has started. you okay? He got you, didn't he? I know, he's a big bird. Here he comes, she comes again. I'm gonna get up. Are you giving me a kiss? Thank you. Thank you for that kiss. You're such a sweet boy. We gotta get up now, okay? Say up and at him, Adamant. Up and at him, Adamant. You want us up? Okay, let's get up.